Hey guys, how you doing? How you feeling today? Just finished a little meditation and mantras here in the forest. Beautiful. Look at that. Sunny day. That's where we recharge our energy. The power of Gaia. Gaia is very powerful to recharge our vibration. So today, quick video. I'm gonna continue talking about the scale of vibration. Number one in the scale of vibration is peace, peace of mind. Number two is joy, just a little reminder. Number three is love. Number four is gratitude. So I just did my gratitude mantras, said about like 20 things that I'm grateful for. I do that every day, and when I do that, I connect with that vibration of gratitude, and it's a very powerful and very high vibration. So maybe you could start doing this every day. When you feel like it, you do 5 or 10 things that you're grateful for, and your vibration, you know, it's the vibration of your body is gonna get higher. You're not gonna be stuck in a low vibration. The low vibration is anger, guilt, what else? Fear, and anger, guilt, fear. I'm missing one. Okay, so if you're in those low vibration, it happens to all of us. You wanna feel that emotion, but you wanna go up the scale to feel better. So when you do, there was a little bug there. When you want to increase your vibration, you think about that scale. How can I be in peace? How can I have a peace of mind? How can I be in joy? What can I do to be joyful right now? What can I do to be in gratitude? What can I do to be in the love frequency? So I just did my gratitude list, you know, just saying this in your head, being grateful and taking the time, you know, to breathe and to say, okay, I'm grateful for this, I'm grateful for that. Every time you do that, there's a frequency, you know, and the frequency is getting higher, and your energy, and it's recharging your body too. So what else? Okay, that's for gratitude. If you want to have a peace of mind, what question can you ask yourself? What can you ask yourself to say, okay, I want more peace in my life? The power of question is very nice. So ask yourself very good question, and you're gonna find the answer. The universe is gonna give you the answer, or your higher self is gonna give you the answer. You could ask your higher self, say, okay, my higher self, what can I do to be more peaceful? You're gonna get the information. So that's what you could do for peace. What can you do to be in a love vibration? There's a lot of things you could do to be in the love vibration. And what can you do to be in gratitude? I just said it. You just have to be grateful for little things that you don't even think, you know. Being grateful to have electricity, you know. That's something that we take for granted. But, you know, sometimes there's people who don't have electricity. I'm grateful to have electricity. So find things that you're usually not grateful for, that you take for granted, and do it in gratitude, you know. What else do I have for you today in that scale of vibration? And if you want to live from your heart and from your intuition, it's easier if you do that with that scale of vibration, because when you connect with those vibrations, it's easier to connect with your heart. So that was a quick video. I hope you're well. Sending you great vibes. Take care.